Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can connect Notion to n8n. So, without further ado, let's begin. First thing that we need to do is to log in on our n8n account. Once logged in, click on Personal, and then choose the workflow that we want to work on. Then, we are going to add the first step, and on the search nodes, we are going to search for Notion. Click here, and then choose a trigger for this process. Now, we're going to go and click here and create a new credential. And then we're going to go to our Notion account and paste our internal integration secret right here. Once done, we're going to click on Save. And that's it. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!